Hey guys, Valentine's Day is coming up and I wanted to share with you guys how I created these cute DIY heart painted mason jars to make for a special Valentine's Day decor. They are super simple to make and super fun. So as you guys can see, I've created my own heart-shaped stencil to stick on the mason jar, and I'm starting out with black acrylic paint from Deco Art. Let me know in the comment section below if you'd like to learn more about how I created the stencil. And you'll also notice that I am getting ready to paint inside of the jar. Please avoid painting the area of where the stencil is because we want it to be see-through and in the shape of a heart, and if you paint that area, you know, we can't see through the jar. So I made this mistake and I had to clean up, which was a complete disaster. But avoid that option or painting in the area of where the stencil is. And here I'm going to go ahead and move on to the pink jar that we're going to add to our project. Just a quick comment, I absolutely love how thick this acrylic paint is painting on the mason jars for the first layer. I still chose to add a second layer, but the fact that you can pretty much not see very much through the jar, like it's really covering the jar on the first layer, it's amazing to me, and I just wanted to comment on that. Now that we're finished with painting the mason jars, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the heart stencil from the mason jars. Okay, so it's black all over, so you can't really see what I mean when I say see-through, but once you see what I add in the jar, you'll understand what I mean. So I'm placing the mason jars in a cold oven, preheating up to 350 degrees. So we're gonna leave them in there for about 30 minutes. After that's finished, just crack the oven open so that it can cool down and that there aren't any explosions. You don't want to remove it too fast because they can be too hot. And yeah, so here's the finished product. I hope you guys loved it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Please like the video and share, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.